In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a Microsoft Defender offline scan. First, let's start by navigating to your taskbar. You'll either click the Start button, recognizable by the familiar Windows icon, or you can use the magnifying glass icon right beside it. These icons are your gateways to accessing the various tools and features on your computer. Once you're at the Start menu or in the Search feature, go ahead and type Windows Security or Microsoft Defender into the search bar. Either term will work, as they both point to the same security management system in Windows. You'll see a list of search results appear, so just select the Windows Security app to open up its main dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll be managing all aspects of your computer's security and analyzing any potential threats. Now that you're in the Windows Security app, you'll find several different tiles addressing various security functions. Click on the tile labeled Virus and Threat Protection. This section is dedicated to safeguarding your device against harmful threats such as viruses, malware, and ransomware. Within this Virus and Threat Protection section, keep an eye out for the Current Threats section. Here, you'll find a link labeled Scan Options. Clicking this will give you an array of scanning methods to choose from, which allows you to fit the scan to your specific needs. From the list of scan types, look for and select the option marked as Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This is a powerful feature designed to perform system scans even before Windows finishes loading by using a version of Defender that's independent of your main operating system. It allows for a deeper and potentially more effective scanning process, especially useful when dealing with persistent or deeply hidden malware. Before proceeding, you'll be prompted to save your work. This prompt is crucial because you'll need to restart your computer and you won't want to lose any unsaved progress. Once everything is saved, click Scan to start the offline scan. You might encounter a user account control prompt, in which case you'll need to click Yes to proceed. The scan will initiate, and your computer will restart. Defender will now take over during the boot process to perform a thorough scan. Once the scan completes, your device will restart again and boot back into Windows. After this, open up Windows Security once more. Return to Virus and Threat Protection, and from there, navigate to Protection History. This is where you'll find the results of the scan you've just run. Review them to know what, if any, actions are needed to address detected threats. Congratulations! You've successfully conducted a Microsoft Defender offline scan, keeping your computer in good health and ensuring your personal data stays protected.